What's going on, boys? 413 Rose back for another video. Today I'm going to do a quick overview of all the lighting mods that I've done to my car. I'm going to 4th of July weekend, people are lighting off fireworks. I'm going to walk around and do a little cinematic shots, and then I will talk about what I have done. Alright guys, so for the headlights, I'm running some Amazon specials. They are GLI reps. I have aux beam LEDs in the low beam projectors and in the fog lights. They are really bright. No complaints at all, no moisture, no nothing. Great cutoff. On the inside, I am running some super bright LEDs, and I got some party lights from Amazon. Typically I run them just on red, and I just usually either leave them on or off. So I'm gonna cut this. So I'm probably gonna get some questions on this. It's a 10-inch Samsung tablet, and I built this mount for it. Goes right in the CD slot. So I have a link of the video. I built this on my personal channel. I'll leave the link in the description. It's just literally a couple pieces of metal with neodymium magnets. It's literally like a Home Depot deck plate, and that just sits in there. And I have a deck plate on here. It's just a piece of steel, and then you just push it into the CD slot, and it literally magnetically stays. It stays there really good. It's sturdy. So I'll leave the link in the description for that. And the lights. Just a quick note on the headlights. The Demon Eyes are IJDM toy LED strips. They are on a they're like 6-inch LED strips, and they're on aluminum boards. So they're really springy. So what I did was I took the cover off the headlight, and I literally just stuck them in there, and they sprung open and they don't move. So that was super easy to put in. I'll leave the link to those in the description as well. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, this was a quick video. It started raining on me, so yeah, I just wanted to put it together and show you guys what I got going on. But any comments, let me know.